Morning, students. Today we will start our new chapter, chapter 2nd A. The name of the chapter is Indian Handicrafts. Okay, all of you knowing the handicrafts, materials which are made by the hand are called the handicrafts. Different states of India famous for the different handicrafts. Different things are the famous from different places. In this chapter we will study about them. Handicraft, just like the glass bangles. Firozabad in Uttar Pradesh is the biggest center for glass bangles. All of you knowing very well, Firozabad famous for the bangles. Okay, like jeweled bangles. Hyderabad is famous for lakh bangles. Glass and glass beads articles. Gwalior is the famous for the glass beads articles such as the necklace and earrings and bells, etc. Fourth one is the silk craft. West Bengal is a very ancient center for making the bangles and the bracelets and other ornaments from shells. Okay. Now fifth one is coconut shell carving. Coconut shell carving. The coastal area of India are popular for the coconut shells carving craft because there is a lot of the coconut trees are there in coastal area. So they are using their shells for making craft. They make the carved and the decorate and articles from the coconut like bowls, vessel, lamp, shades, etc. Now the papier maize. Kashmir is the famous for its papier maize articles such as writing table, sets and the dressing table, wares, bangles, lamps stand and vases, different vases. These are the main center and some other are the famous places like the Rasali and the Guzupet and Guti of Andhra Pradesh are also famous for their glass bangles. Firozabad is the main center, but other is from Andhra Pradesh. Okay, these are also famous. Hyderabad is the main center for the lakh bangles, but Rajasthan also known for its lakh bangles and situated with the glass beads. We are saying that the Jaipuri Kangan, Jaipuri Rajasthani Kangan, this one we are knowing now very well in common. So that's why the Rajasthan also famous for the lakh bangles. And the Varanasi and the Bandipur are also the important center of the black glass beads. Okay. Next one is the Kerala. Cells are used to make the entries and the vessels for this. West Bengal is the main center. West Bengal is the main center for the cell craft. But in Kerala also prepare the handicraft made by cells. In Tamil Nadu and decorative items are made with the different types of the corn and the other cells. Okay. In Andaman, cell craft is the major handicraft and product of the range from the decorative cells to table lamp and tray, jewelry and buttons. Okay. So this is the Indian handicraft and their main center and other famous things are there. And now other is the ivory. All of you knowing ivory? Hathidat. Okay. Through Anantapuram is the specialization jewelry of this item, ivory item. Okay. Now the leather craft. Leather craft is the Kolhapur in Maharashtra, famous for the finely designed and the handicraft jacket and slippers and sandals and incense and the perfumes. The Karnataka leads in the craft as cheese sticks. Okay. So, but other places, just like the Kerala, is the large number of the figurines based on the Kathakali and temples of the models of made. Okay, and Odisha, especially in the Puri, toys and are made from the paper mat, and the Rajasthan produce like the animal, birds, bowls, etc. are made from the paper mat. Okay, Jaipur is the famous for its ivory bangles also and carved figure. Okay, Lucknow and Amritsar specialization in the carving out of the hollow of the cylindrical task and table and lamp of the doubles of this one. Okay. Jaipur is famous for Jaipuri jutis. Patiala in Punjab also well known for the jutis with the embroideries on them. Embroidered ojos and purses of the Kashmir are very famous. Okay. The leather puppet of the Andhra Pradesh are very famous. This is the handicrafts, their main center and other places of this one. These places handicrafts are there. Student read this chapter carefully. After that solve the book exercise in second B, the Nobel Prize and their winner. I will send the home assignment. You will learn, fill in your book and also note down in your copy. Thank you. God bless you.